plate. Just take a look in.
Welcome back, everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today has been a cold day. We woke up to, it was about 10 degrees and the wind chill was around 2. So we're going to make something to warm us up today. We're going to make a chili and cornbread casserole. Now, you can make your chili however you like. This is just how we do it. I'm going to need, I've got 2 pounds of ground beef here. 1 onion that I'm going to cut up. This is the chili seasoning we use. You can use your own chili seasoning or whatever chili seasoning you like. I've got some lima beans, kidney beans, and pinto beans. You can put whatever you want or no beans if you don't like beans in it. And I've got some crushed tomatoes and tomato juice. That's 2 quarts back there. So let's get making the chili first. Okay, I've got a little bit of oil in a pot. I'm just going to do it in one big pot. I'm going to put in our onions. And we're going to fry them a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add the burger. And we're going to cook that up till it's done. Okay, the meat is cooked. Now I'm just going to add tomato juice, crushed tomatoes, my beans. I'm not going to add the lima beans till everything is done and we start to put it in the oven, because the lima beans just seem to break up and dissolve to nothing. So we're going to wait till the end to do that. Now my seasoning, it's 1/4 a cup per pound, so I've got a 1/2 cup here. And then I'll let this cook, check on it, see if it needs any more seasoning. Like I said, you could use your own seasoning. This would be good for leftover chili, if you want to do something with it. Or even leftover taco meat would be good with this. Okay, we're going to let this cook and we'll be back. Okay, while the chili's just about cooked down, I'm going to make the cornbread mix. I'm just going to use my cornbread recipe. You could use your cornbread recipe or any cornbread recipe. I'm going to use 2 cups of cornmeal. This is self-rising cornmeal. 2 eggs. 1 cup of milk. And I usually melt my butter in the pan for the cornbreads, but I'm just going to add it to the cornbread mix, and a 1/4 cup of oil of any kind. Okay, I got the 2 cups of cornmeal, self-rising cornmeal. Milk, I'm going to stir that. I normally just use 1 egg. I'm going to use 2 eggs for this recipe since we're putting it in with the chili. There's the 2 eggs. The butter and the oil. Now normally if I'm making cornbread, this will probably be thinner. I would put some more milk in it. But since it's going on top of the chili, I'm going to leave it like it is. All right, let's get the chili and put them together. Okay, I've got a greased 9 by 13 pan. Okay, I'm going to pour in the chili. This is not all the chili that I made. I took out some to have for another day. It's probably about half of what I made. Okay, now we're going to take some cheese, shredded cheese. That little even in the pan. We're going to sprinkle cheese on top. And I have some of this left. I'm just going to finish that off too. Now I'm going to take the cornmeal, and what I may do, I'm going to put like some dollops on here, sort of spread it out. Yeah. Spatula. Sort of connect them there. Spread it out the best you can. Now we're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for, I'm going to try 30 minutes, but I'll let you know how long it took. You want your cornbread done, and your chili's already heated up. You just need your cornbread done. Here it is out of the oven. Really hot right now. Let it cool down just a minute and then we'll give it a try. Here it is all plated up. Doug, give it a try. Daniel, he'll be alone a little bit to eat. He's still sleeping. He works night shift now, so.
Delicious.
All
Definitely a keeper.
Okay.
Still a little bit hot inside.
Probably be good with some sour cream on top or more cheese. All right. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Folks, thank you for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing. Folks, thank you for watching, and hope you have a blessed day. Stay safe, and we will be seeing you soon, Lord willing.